Hey everybody, this is Eric Fox Travel Videos, and I'm here in Budapest, Hungary, and I'm at the 360. I got cat hair. I'm at the 360 bar, 360 Igloo Rooftop bar. Let's take a look. So trying to find this place is tough. It's next to this building that says Parishnagi Arharos, that place, and right by the Office of Shoes. And I think it opens at 2 o'clock. And let me show you, it's 360 High Life, and there's a picture of it, and it's got like igloos on it, and it's a rooftop bar, and that's your view. And you can see where it says 360 bar up in that corner if you can see it. But it's a tricky one because I had asked like 3 places to figure out how to find this place. You know, and some doors are push, some doors are pull, and so you have to come to the elevator, and then there's like 3 elevators here, but you have to find the one that says 360 bar and press that, and then you go in here, and then you got to take the 360 bar. So that's it. Does it go up? You going to the 360 bar?
No.
No.
We are going to the fifth
floor. No. Okay, so maybe it's not open. 5. Well, does it even go down? It'll go down, but it won't go up. So maybe I'm a little early, about 15 minutes early. And this is what it says. It says 360 bar, rooftop bar. But anyway. Okay, I guess I have to wait a little bit. Hold tight. We're thinking of you sky high. Okay, interesting. I'll be back.
Reserve outside or inside the igloos, but nowadays it's quite hot in the igloos, so
Yeah.
outside.
So 2,000 to get in. How expensive are the drinks? Are they crazy?
Half of the price comes with 2 years voucher. You can spend it for drinks. It's a discount. Regarding the price.
So half the price. So you show them this card. So if a beer is 1,000.
No, it's a discount from the total amount. So
Of the total amount.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yes. So it's just basically half of the entry fee that we get back to you.
You give 1,000 back to me because it costs 2,000 to get in.
And
okay.
if you make a reservation, then there is no entry fee, so you can.
Oh, I didn't even know. Okay, so an entry fee is the way to go.
Yes, exactly, because we need to limit the number of the tourists because
Okay.
they are too much sometimes.
Okay. So go this way?
Yes, take the first elevator.
Thank you. Okay, here we go. So now it works. Here we go. So it costs 2,000 to get in. If you have a reservation, you don't have to pay the $2,000. 2,000 huff, and then you get 1,000 back in drink or in credits. So if I buy a beer, hey, now the light works. Isn't that interesting? Okay, so this is kind of interesting. So 360 rooftop bar. So if I buy a drink or 2 drinks, and let's say it comes to 5,000, they'll give me back 1,000, right? And so that only cost me 4,000, if I understand things right. So I don't know. Rule of thumb: it doesn't open until 2. It's hard to find. Make sure you put it on your phone. 3, make a reservation. 4, have a good time. How you doing?
Hi.
I have a coupon and a band.
That's okay. Where would you like to sit? Inside,
Somewhere
outside?
Outside, so I can see something. Can I walk around and look, and
You
then
can
find my
walk
spot?
around, have a look. Do you want to eat and drink?
Just drink.
Just drinks?
Yep.
So I'll give you the drink menus.
Just beer, probably.
Beer. Okay, so from the beers, we don't have few of the craft beers, which are canned beers. We don't have the lager or the IPA, but we've got Hungarian lager and IPA on the draft.
Okay. Cool.
So I'll give you this.
That's
have
a
look
deal.
around and we'll find you. Yeah?
Okay, thank you. All right, well, here's the rooftop bar. Well, you can see the hill from up there. I'm going to put that down so I don't need it. You know, is that going to blow away? It's not going to blow away, is it? I better put down 2 of them. So that's the hill where the statue is. And you can see the church from here too. And you can see the Parliament building. Or not the Parliament building, the Fisherman's Wharf and the church up there. And there's the Parliament building over that way. You know what? It's really windy, so I'm gonna take my menu here. And they do have little igloos, which are cute. Huh. And the food, it smells wonderful. Wow. Well, I bet this is a hopping place, man. What's in here? It's a net of some kind, but how far down does it go? All right, all the way down that way. Wow. Huh. Cute little chairs. And cute little bathrooms. They look pretty clean. And the sinks are outside. That's cool. Very cool. Yeah, the views really are amazing, aren't they? And there's the Ferris wheel, which is by my house over there. And there's the church. Yeah, and that's the Opera House, that big long building right there. And you can see the hill up there, Gellert's Hill, which is the Citadel, right? Huh. Very cool. And they got these little igloos, which are really cool. You could be sitting here in the rain and having a good time, taking it easy. Okay, drop your love on me. All right. Cool, cool. Okay, everybody. Well, I think I'm going to order a beer and pull up a chair and sit right here and look at that building. Look at the Parliament over there. Wow. Very cool. Okay, everybody. An outstanding rooftop bar. I'll be back probably. Well, the view is certainly outstanding, and the beers are certainly cold, and I just wanted to say thanks for all the people that come and watch my videos, and I hope you enjoy them as much as I enjoy making them. It's a lot of fun, and you know, it really gives me a lot of motivation to run around and film these places. I was just going to hang out today, but I found a kitty cafe, and I found this bar, and I got another bar to go to, another rooftop bar, and so, but anyway, cheers. Thanks for everything. Thanks for watching my videos. Thanks for actually being part of my life, my traveling life. Thanks, everybody. Bye-bye.